Hey friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Hostel. Many people are saying that Vastu is a wrong belief or superstitious belief. Is it truly a wrong belief or Vastu is connected with science? In this video, let's discuss about Vastu and how it is connected with science. By the end of this video, your opinion on Vastu will completely change. So watch this video till the end without skipping. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for regular notification. Now let's get into this video. Vastu is the science of architecture originated in India 1000 years ago. It is also the science of direction that combines all the five elements of nature and balance them with men and the material. As we all know that the world comprises of five basic elements also known as the Panchabhutas. They are earth, water, air, fire, and space. These Panchabhutas paving the way for enhanced health, wealth, and prosperity and happiness. So everyone has their own belief about Vastu Shastra. Let's discuss the relation between science and Vastu in this video. First of all, Vastu basically defined based on four directions. They are north, east, south, and west. You can easily identify these directions by using east, in which the sun rises. If you stretch your right hand on the east direction and stretch your left hand on the west direction as shown in this picture, you will be facing the north direction and south will be on your back side. So in this way you can easily identify all the four directions. If you stand and stretch your right hand towards east, your left hand will be facing west and you will be facing the north direction and the south direction will be on your back side. As we have discussed before, there are four directions: north, east, south and west. Northeast corner is called as Isanya and southeast corner is called as Agni. Southwest corner is called as Nairuti or Kubera. Northwest corner is called as Vayu. And the central part of this all directions is called as the Brahmastan. So according to these directions, we need to plan the rooms which are coming in the house. From the central part towards east is 90 degree and this side it is 180 degree, and to the west it is 270 degree and to the north it is 360 degree. So we can divide this one into 45 degree angle. So this is 45 degree from here, and again this side it is 135 and this side it is 225 and this side it is 350. So like this we can divide. We all get confused about these corners, how much we need to consider for the one corner. For example, if it is a Vayu, then how much we should consider from north side and how much we should consider from the west side. So we can divide like this in this angle, and this part we can consider as a Vayu portion. This side it is north, this side it is west. So northwest corner, so up to here we can consider as a Vayu corner. Let's discuss in detail about these corners. So this is northeast, southeast, southwest corner and this is northwest corner. So now we need to divide each direction into 9 parts like this. So you have to always divide the part from north to west, similarly east to south. So in this way you need to divide all the directions into 9 parts. By considering this corner, this is the northeast corner, that is Isanya. So here this 2 part and this 2 part will consider as a Isanya. From north to west direction 2 part, similarly north to east direction 2 part. So this together we can call it as Isanya. Similarly in the southeast corner, this part, and here south to west direction 2 part, we call it as a Agni. Similar to that, in southwest corner, these 2 part and these 2 part. Similar to that, in southwest corner, these 2 part and these 2 part together we consider as a Kubera or Nairuti. And this is the northwest corner, these 2 part and these 2 part together we consider as Vayu. So like this we need to consider the corners, and this center part will become the Brahmastan. So now we know the basics of Vastu, how we need to divide the directions and what are all the four corners of each directions. Now let's discuss the relation between science and Vastu. As we all know that our planet is Earth and it keeps rotating. Earth keeps rotating at 23.5 degree 1200 km per hour. So it takes 23 hours and 56 minutes to complete one rotation. This we consider as one day. In this 24 hour, if the earth is facing the sun, we get the day, and if the earth is revolving in the opposite direction, we get the night. So in this way we get the daytime and the night time. Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the sun, so that duration is 1 year. So always we know north and east are the preferable directions. If you go and ask any people, they will ready to buy the plot or land or the house in the facing direction of north or east direction. So why is that preference? Let's see the science behind that. When the sun rises, the sunlight appear on the northeast side of your building. That we call it as Isanya, northeast side of your building. So that is why this direction is having more importance in Vastu. We get the purest form of energy by keeping this direction very neat and clean. So always people will go for a puja room in this direction. So we get the purest form of energy. So that is why this direction is the most preferable direction always. The sunlight will appear on the southeast direction, that is called as Agni corner. So it is also called as a sun activist zone. So sun will be active in this direction, in this corner more time. So when the sun rises till the sunset, the most of the sun rays will appear in this direction. So to get the natural sunlight and to destroy all the germs and bacteria, the kitchen has to be set in the southeast direction. So always the kitchen is preferable in this direction to get the more natural sunlight, also to destroy all the bacteria. So this direction is preferable for kitchen. So this is the science behind the southeast corner. Next, let's look into the southwest corner. When we check the sunlight in all four directions, north direction will have the less heat and east direction will have the more heat when compared to north, and in south and west direction the heat will be more at evening. So the room will be warmer if we provide the bedroom in the southwest direction. So this is the science behind the southwest direction, that is called as Kubera corner or Nairuti corner. Next, as we discussed before, always the north and east entrance plot and house has the most preferable direction to get the good prosperity. South and west directions are not preferable when compared to north and east directions, because what is the reason, what is the science behind this? So let's discuss the science behind these preferences. Always monsoon will start from southwest and end up with northeast. If we provide entrance in the southwest direction, all the rainwater and dirts will get inside the house. So northeast is referred to provide entrance and window. We avoid providing entrance in the southwest direction. So this is the science behind the preferable directions of north and east. So apart from this, we have other signs as well. When the earth is revolving, it will create a magnetic field. The generated magnetic field will create more impact on north and west direction and less impact on south and east direction. So when we sleep, we have to keep our head in the south or east direction to avoid the impact of this magnetic field. So this is the reason always in the bedrooms we need to keep our head in the south or east direction, and we need to avoid the north or west direction to avoid the impact of the magnetic field. So friends, in this way the Vastu is related with science. We have discussed most of the science which is behind Vastu. I hope you all like this video. Please do comment in the comment box. If you want more detail about Vastu or particular directions, just let me know in the comment box. I'll try to upload separate video for that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.